I actually tell them, before you even do A/B testing, do AA testing to make sure that when you're actually showing these things that there shouldn't be too many deviations. Show the two home pages at the same time just to see, because you don't want to go and show like there might be something wrong with the technology or whatever. It's a great way just to make sure that when the results come in that there was some process involved in it. So I call it AA testing. Do AA testing before you do A/B testing, as an example.
Speaking of processes, actually, let's go to the next question, and I would like you to give the first answer. And no, Karen. And because I think that from your global experience, I mean geographically, you perhaps know better than anyone, at least in this area, what are the most serious and often problems when it comes to consistent use of data science in an organization. Because organizational and you should somehow to change procedures because you're used to just different methods of how you decide. So from your experience, what should we avoid when we start using it?
Yeah, so that's a great, process is a big part. I think culture, right? So I use Google, we'll have a lot of friends at Google. What they've been able to do a very good job, and Yandex too, from what I know about the cultures, is these are started by engineers. Engineers tend to be much more data-driven.
But by culture, you mean corporate culture, yes?
Yeah, corporate culture is incredibly important. I actually think the failing of some companies and technologies when they actually aren't started by engineers, and I'm not an engineer, I'm a business person, because just by nature, they tend to be much more data-driven. I think the failure of a lot of technology companies is actually when they get taken over by sales, marketing, PD people, because they're not data-driven. And so culture is one big piece. So that's one.